Hey everyone, it's Stacy Cleveland. Um, this is my third year at Widener and my second year field placement. I will be doing my field placement at my place of employment, which is the Achieving Reunification Center, otherwise known as ARC. And I've been at ARC for 4 years, and prior to ARC, I've worked for the Salvation Army for 6 years. Which is really where I began to work professionally with families. I was able to complete my undergrad at Drexel in behavioral health counseling, and now I'm here at Widener for my clinical social work and my MSW. So, all of my adult life, I've worked with families. Started in church and then working in the community, and then just through work experiences, working with families that have crisis situations, and just being there to help them to maneuver through, their situations and providing resources as much as possible. The basic structure of the family system in which I grew up in was myself and four other siblings, in which I was the older one. I was the oldest, and my mom and my stepfather, who both had alcohol addictions. And so I've always been like the child parent in the home and making sure that my siblings were fed, that they went to school. And so eventually we were placed in foster care. And I just think through that experience, I can certainly empathize with families that have been torn apart and have come from dysfunctional backgrounds. I think that with the leadership skills that I've developed in having to grow up really fast, um, I can certainly empathize with families. Um, they have similar experiences, and now with the education that I have, I think that together I'll be able to be pretty resourceful. I don't have any burning questions right now regarding the course, but I am happy to be a part of the group, and would like to focus on during this semester on just fine tuning my understanding about theories and interventions, and making sure that the appropriate interventions and assessment is done properly, and which interventions should be used for various family situations. So I'm really happy to be here. Wish everyone a great semester this semester, and thank you so much for listening.